guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ashes of Creation if it's not launching or keeps crashing on PC. Follow each solution step by step, and your game should be running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Ashes of Creation. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once it finishes, try launching the game. Solution 2. Right-click Ashes of Creation in Steam. Select Properties. Click Installed Files. Select Browse Local Files. Open the game folder. Open the AOC folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Right-click AOC Client Win64 Shipping.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable. Run this program as administrator. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Then, OK. Now launch the game and check if it works. Solution 3. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 4. Open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. Install any available driver update. Solution 5. Open the link in the video description. Scroll down and locate x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Click VC Redist x64 to download it as well. Now install them in this order. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish and click Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish. Now restart your PC. After restarting, launch Ashes of Creation again. The game should now launch normally without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.